He gonna come back for the second trip because we have so many logs. You know, this tree is very beautiful. I think the first owner, and they just cut down to do something else, but maybe they don't have time. That's why it's still laid down on the ground and very, very good wood and not, you know, rotten yet. It's still very, very, you know, strong and hardwood. And we decided to, you know, make a firewood out of it and cut. Okay, so he will come back. I'm stay here alone. Oh, I hope nobody. I'm just kidding. Over here, I don't think a lot of, you know, bad people. Or, other words, no stranger. But the stranger that we have to very careful is bear and skunks. Skunks, it's very, very, you know, they have their own poison. I saw that when fox attacks them.